Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta without sauce. We'll focus on creating a delicious, simple dish using just a few key ingredients. First, select a high-quality pasta like spaghetti or penne for the best texture. You'll also need extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Don't forget fresh herbs such as parsley or basil, and a generous amount of grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese to finish. Achieving perfectly cooked pasta is crucial for this dish. Start by using a large pot with at least 4 quarts of generously salted water. It should taste like the sea. Bring this water to a vigorous, rolling boil before adding your pasta. Cook it precisely according to the package instructions until it's al dente, meaning firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. It's a secret ingredient. Now let's build our simple yet flavorful base. In a large skillet, heat about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil over medium heat. Once warm, add 2 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic and sauté them gently until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Next, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a pleasant, subtle warmth. Finally, toss in your fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil for a burst of freshness. It's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly cooked, drained pasta directly into the skillet with the aromatic flavor base. Toss everything thoroughly to coat the pasta evenly. Gradually add the reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until a light, emulsified coating forms. Stir in about 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese. Serve this delightful dish immediately, garnished with extra cheese and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.